In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change the fuel filter in your car, and I'm gonna try to do it as quickly as possible because it's not a difficult task. So let's dive straight into it. Here we go. First, open your hood and locate your fuel filter. You got 6 screws in it. They're Torx screws. They are T30 Torx screws. Torque bolts, torque nuts, yeah, torque things. Second thing you need to do, you need to get yourself a fuel filter. You can get these online, you can get them at your auto parts store. This particular one, the Hingsel, is EK87KPD150. It's in Japanese, German, and some other languages on there. And beware, it might cause cancer if you live in California. In order to get this filter out, you need to take this line, this line, this line, and this line, and just pop these clips and slide them right back. There's gonna be a little spot right here in between your housing. Some sort of leveraging tool in there, prying tool. A lot of fuel is gonna come out of this thing, so be careful. So before you take this off, make sure you got some sort of container to hold everything that's getting ready to come out of here. All right. Now inside of your box, you're gonna get a new filter O-ring. You wanna make sure to take your old one off. Put your new one on, pretty straightforward, easy peasy. And just take your new filter. There you go. And just install it. Now this is a good time to tell you, you should be doing this every 50,000 miles, give or take a couple thousand miles. Another way of looking at that is at least every couple of years, you should probably replace your fuel filter. It's reality. Like modern day, I think people drive around 20,000 miles is the last census. On average, so that's 40,000 miles every couple of years. Not bad. You can easy Google Calendar set reminder. Save yourself the hassle, plus or minus 10,000 miles. It's not the end of the world. Unless you're like him, and then he went 80, and it's like, boom. Sorry, not really. Line your bolt holes back up, give it a push, put your bolts back in. And there you go. That's the fuel filter installed. Do not whatsoever just start your car. You're gonna have to do some priming of the system in order to get it out. That's gonna be for another video that you guys can look into. If you guys check out this video, you can get a walkthrough on VCDS, how to prime the fuel system on your car, whether you need it for your injectors or if you did a fuel filter change, or if you just cracked the line because you wanted to see how the fuel looked in your car. So, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for subscribing, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace. I'm Audi.